As the latest iPhone 16 series hits the market, the quest for the perfect case begins. We've covered a diverse selection of options, including luxury leather options, rugged protection, budget-friendly choices, and unique designs. Whether you're seeking style, durability, or functionality, this guide has something for everyone. From innovative features like sapphire crystal camera button covers to eco-friendly materials and customizable designs, dive in to find the ideal balance of protection and aesthetics for your new device. All product links are provided in the description. Number 19. Caseology iPhone 16 Cases. Caseology offers affordable protection for iPhone 16, with prices starting at $17. Their lineup includes the Afflex Mag, Capella Mag, Nanopop Mag, and Parallax Mag, all featuring MagSafe compatibility. These cases provide a good balance of protection and style at budget-friendly prices. Caseology is known for offering trendy designs and reliable protection. Number 18. OtterBox Cases. OtterBox's iPhone 16 lineup includes the new Defender Series Pro with MagSafe and the Symmetry Series Cactus Leather. Prices range from $45 to $60. A standout feature is their Lumen series, which uses sapphire crystal with a conductive layer for the camera control button, similar to Apple's design. Number 17. Mous iPhone 16 Cases. Mous offers a variety of case styles for iPhone 16, including the Limitless 6.0 MagSafe, Super Thin 2.0 MagSafe, and Clarity 3.0 Clear MagSafe. Known for their innovative protection technology, Mous cases combine style with high-level impact resistance. The range includes options for those who prefer ultra-slim designs, as well as those needing more robust protection. Mous cases are popular among users who want premium protection without bulky designs. Number 16. Alto Wood Cases. Alto's wood cases for iPhone 16 offer a unique natural aesthetic. They feature a custom laser engraving option, allowing users to personalize their cases with any design. These cases appeal to those who prefer an organic, eco-friendly look while still wanting to add a personal touch to their phone protection. The wood construction offers a warm, tactile feel different from typical plastic or metal cases. Number 15. UAG Military-Inspired Cases. Urban Armor Gear offers a range of rugged, military-inspired cases for iPhone 16. Their lineup includes the Monarch Pro Kevlar from $60, Plasma XT for $70, Metropolis LT MagSafe for $65, and more affordable options like the Essential Armor MagSafe, $40. UAG cases are known for their robust protection and distinctive aesthetic. Number 14. CASETiFY Cases. CASETiFY's iPhone 16 collection features the upgraded Ultra Bounce protective case and introduces modular attachments like straps and keychains. Their range includes the Impact Case, Mirror Case, Ripple Case, and Clear Case, with prices from $60 to $100. CASETiFY is known for its vast array of designs and customization options, allowing users to personalize their cases, making these cases appealing to those who want both style and functionality. Number 13. Moment Camera Cases. Moment's new MagSafe iPhone 16 camera case for $45 is designed for photography enthusiasts. They also offer accessories like the VND Quick Lock filter for $67.50 and Cine Bloom Quick Lock filter for $45. These cases and add-ons are tailored for users who frequently use their iPhone for photography and videography. Number 12. Peak Design Cases. Peak Design introduces two types of cases for iPhone 16. The Everyday Canvas case in 4 colors and the new Clarino Vegan Leather case in 3 colors. Known for their innovative designs and camera gear, Peak Design brings their expertise to phone cases, appealing to environmentally conscious users who don't want to compromise on quality or aesthetics. Number 11. Ringke Affordable Cases. Ringke offers a range of affordable cases for iPhone 16, starting at just $18. Their lineup includes popular models like the Onyx, Fusion, and Silicone cases, with some featuring MagSafe compatibility. Prices range from $18 to $26, making them an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. Number 10. MUJJO Leather Cases. MUJJO's leather cases for iPhone 16 are known for their quality and style. This year's collection introduces new colors like livid green and green smoke. The full leather case and full leather wallet case are available for all iPhone 16 models. Number 9. SANDMARC Leather Cases. SANDMARC's new leather cases for iPhone 16 come in two main variants: the minimal leather case at $45 and the Pro leather case for $50. Available for both iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, these cases offer a premium leather finish with a sleek design. Number 8. Beats iPhone 16 Cases. Beats offers cases for all iPhone 16 models at $49 each. These cases feature a unique solution for the new camera control button, using a sapphire crystal cover with a conductive layer, similar to Apple's own cases. Number 7. ARC Bumper Cases. ARC's aerospace metal bumper cases for iPhone 16 offer a unique protection solution. These minimalist cases protect the edges of the phone without covering the back, preserving the iPhone's original design. Number 6. Nomad Leather Cases. Nomad's iPhone 16 cases feature premium Horween leather, known for its quality and patina development. The new traditional leather case offers a full-wrap leather treatment in black or brown, available in both Horween and Nomad leather options. Number 5. Spigen iPhone 16 Cases. Spigen's collection for iPhone 16 includes popular designs and new additions like the thin fit with MagSafe and an upgraded Enzo Aramid model. The retro iMac-style case returns with a new tangerine color. Available for all iPhone 16 models, Spigen offers affordable options that provide excellent protection. Known for their quality and value, these cases often exceed expectations for their price point. Number 4. ESR iPhone 16 Cases. ESR's new lineup for iPhone 16 combines military-grade protection with sleek design. The CyberTough case can withstand drops up to 23 feet, while the Classic Hybrid and Cloud Soft models protect against 11-foot drops. All cases feature built-in MagSafe arrays and come in various colors or aesthetics. Number 3. SUPCASE and i-Blason Cases. These brands offer robust protection for iPhone 16, with models like the Unicorn Beetle Pro, UB Pro, designed for extreme drops. The UB Mag series includes MagSafe compatibility, built-in screen protectors, and kickstands. A unique feature is their protective cover for the new capture button, maintaining functionality while adding protection. Number 2. Brand iPhone 16 Cases. Brand's grip cases for iPhone 16 offer a combination of style and protection. Featuring grippy sides, MagSafe compatibility, and camera protection, these cases stand out with their crescent arc design for easy edge swiping. The customizable skin system allows for personalization, with one skin included in the purchase. Number 1. Apple's iPhone 16 Cases. Apple's latest silicone case with MagSafe comes in 8 colors, featuring recycled materials and a soft microfiber lining. The standout feature is the sapphire crystal camera control button cover with a conductive layer, enhancing interaction with the new camera button. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.